Okay, so this is how it looks like first before we start on it. And there's scratches and stuff. And on the inside, if I can get it open, I already removed the knobs from it. But I can't get it open right now. But I removed the knobs. And I got all the knobs over here. This is how they looked like before, but we're not going to be using these because I don't like the brown knobs and everything. I'm going to use some shiny diamond ones instead. Well, I was going to use diamond ones, but instead we're just going to use some shiny ones. That way it doesn't look too kiddie or anything. And the first thing we're going to use is this Method all-purpose stuff. And it's just to clean the inside of the doors since it's like a little dirty because it is an old dresser. My dog's over here, so I can't even spray it yet, even if I wanted to. But like, we're just going to use this real quick and we're just going to spray out. I'm just doing it in like a vlog kind of way because I don't want the video to be too long and boring. So yeah, I just set all the things over there just so that I can just wipe out the top and the inside before I start spraying. And that'll make it easier when I spray, so I can just go around and spray the insides too if I choose to, because some of them, they're like brown and dirty and stuff. And then that one still looks clean and nice. And these two, actually three, they actually look pretty dirty on the inside. So we're just going to spray the inside. Like, we're going to keep it like sitting upward so that we can get it evenly, except for that one fell. So now I'm just going to wipe them down real quick with this. Okay, so now I spray paint it, and here's how it looks like. And now we're just going to wait for it to dry before we put the knobs on and everything.